Can you find some?
I can't.
Let's go up here with the kids and see.
Where are
Where are those eggs?
Where are the eggs going?
Well, I don't know. We gotta go to the next house. Go ahead. Run, run, run. Follow Max.
I'll give it to them.
Yeah, I was expecting a couple more adolescent boys who are not coming to a lot of
Do you see some? A blue one? And are there any more?
I think they're the pink.
Jack, look over there.
He sees some. He
Yep,
sees
this
some.
pink one and the purple one.
Pink and what else? Oh, and here comes Max to help.
You gonna help Jack, Max?
Oh, Max found one.
Thank
Thanks,
you.
Max.
Is there any here?
Hey, Jack, over here.
Another one? Oh, wow.
I think that might be it.
Daddy, in the way of the video.
I think we found all of them.
Good job. Are you going to kick it to Ellie?
You've got two. One. Maybe it's 4 or 5. Any minute.
The upside of
Ready?
No, like, you're on the other side, rain and cold.